Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you another recipe for hair growth. This amazing hair growth recipe will boost your hair, make your hair thicker. If your hair is thin and you're looking for something that can make your hair thick, something you can whip up at home, something that will not cost you money, this is another recipe for you to try out. If you can be consistent with this recipe, I promise you that you are definitely going to see the results. If you can use this recipe on your hair 2 or 3 times in a week, you're going to see an amazing result. This recipe is cost effective. It's probably something you already have inside your kitchen, and it has been proven countless time over the century that this actually works. This recipe put together can maximize your hair growth. From rosemary to ginger to onions, all these have been proven to grow out the hair. And in this video, where we are at is, I'm going to break it down how each of these ingredients can actually help you increase your hair growth together with your length retention technique. Because if your hair is growing out but it is breaking at the same rate at which it's growing, definitely it will be as if you are not growing your hair. It will be as if your hair is stuck on the same length. With this spray, your scalp will be healthy because this spray will ensure that it creates an enabling environment for your hair to thrive. So together with your length retention technique, your hair will be unstoppable. Let's get into the importance of each herbs we use in this spray. Number one is rosemary, the OG in hair growth. Rosemary has been used for centuries. A whole lot of people, millions of people have used it, and they have testified that rosemary is probably one of the fastest herbs you can use to grow out your hair. These herbs will help you grow out your hair like so fast. The number one benefit of rosemary in hair is that it has the ability to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which is what your scalp actually needs for your hair to grow out fast. It has antifungal properties that can help deal with flaking, dandruff, any scalp issues. Another benefit of rosemary is that it has the ability to strengthen your hair. If you're dealing with breakage, if your hair is breaking a lot, try out rosemary. Try using rosemary as a leave-in spray and it will reduce breakage drastically. Apart from using rosemary as a leave-in spray, you can also use it as an oil. You can try rosemary essential oil. You can even infuse rosemary into your hair product like your shampoo, your conditioners, and your deep conditioners. So there are so many ways you can infuse rosemary for your hair. Our second ingredient is onions. Onions is super for hair growth. Onions contains sulfur, which is essential for the production of keratin, which is what our hair needs to grow. I can remember the first year of me trying to grow out my hair, I started using onions. To be honest with you, I experienced the most growth in that first year of trying to grow out my hair just by using onions. Onions is so powerful when it comes to hair growth. Onions contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation on the scalp, promoting a healthy hair. Onions will instantly promote blood circulation to the scalp. Once you apply onions juice on your hair, you will literally feel the hotness on your hair, the heat, which shows that it is promoting blood circulation to the scalp, which is what your hair needs to grow out fast. The third ingredient is a ginger tea. You can absolutely take out this one, but I just needed something to balance the smell of the onions. If you want something stronger, you can use the fresh ginger, but I just needed something to balance the smell of the onions. That is why I just used a ginger tea. But apart from that, you can obviously skip it. So I'm done introducing our ingredients. So now let me break it down how we got to this point, and or how we got to this juice you're looking at right now. After putting in all our ingredients together into a jar, I went in with a very hot water. We are going to be doing the infusion method. If you don't like this method, you can as well boil your ingredients, all right? But I like to infuse mine, so I left it for 3 days. Yeah, I let this sit into my refrigerator for 3 days. I let it sit out for the first day, then the second day I put it into my refrigerator because at that time it has already infused. I put it into my refrigerator so it will not start to ferment. So that was what happened. I left it to sit for 3 days, and after 3 days, that is what we got. Everything has properly infused. If you notice, both the onions and the rosemary is now settling down, and the color of the water has changed. Everything has infused into the water, and the water is very, very potent now. If you can be consistent with just this and your length retention technique, your hair is definitely going to grow. It's a guarantee. It's something I have used over the years, and I can guarantee you that this will work. All right, this is not just some experiment that hasn't been proven. I have used this, and this is just me testifying to you guys that if you can be consistent with this, you're definitely going to see the growth. It is 100% sure. Please note that you need to use a very hot water to enable the onions infuse into the water. If you just use a cold water, if you just use room temperature water, the onions is definitely not going to infuse into the water, except if you leave it for weeks. And we do not have weeks. All right, if you don't like this method, you can just go ahead and boil it. That way your onions will infuse fast. Like I said before, I'm going to use this as a leave-in spray. I'm going to apply it on my hair, and I'm going to leave it. I'll not be washing it out. You can decide to use it as a washout spray. You use it and then you wash it out. You can also use it as your final rinse. For maximum results, use this spray 3 times a week, and you can store it into your refrigerator for at least a week before you discard it and make another one. It is not advisable to leave it in your refrigerator for so long. If not, it will go bad. If your hair is so thin and you're looking for something to thicken up your hair, start using this. Just make it and use it for 2 months, 3 months. You're going to definitely see the result. Like, your hair is going to be thick. I said 2 or 3 months because a lot of people use something for 1 month and then they just assume it's not working. Meanwhile, you haven't given it enough time to actually work for you. So I said 3 months. That's enough time for you to actually notice if it's working or not. So use it for 3 months. Do not just use this for 1 month and assume it doesn't work, because this has been proven to actually work. So it will definitely work for you. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoy this kind of content, you want to see more from me, please consider subscribing to the channel, like and comment. Please do not hesitate to ask your question if you have any, and I will always come through for you guys. If there's any kind of video you want me to do related to my niche, please do not hesitate to ask from me and I will work towards it. If you're going to try out this recipe, please comment. I will try it, and afterwards please come back and let me know if it works for you, so others can use that as a sort of encouragement to also try it out. At this point, I'll let you guys just watch the video to the end. Before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye, but stay to the end. All right, do not skip.